The 2-speed electronic switch helps me to clean my job site faster by allowing me to not push debris into areas that I don't want debris.
Control is important on a job site, so you're not cleaning up a job site more than one time.
The variable speed trigger is very responsive and allows me to get into smaller areas without covering myself in dust.
I'd use the wide sweeping nozzle just for cleaning up wider areas, not requiring 2 different tools or 3 different tools to get one job done.
I use the rubber nozzle in small areas and all over. It allows me to get behind tight spaces like PVC pipes and other water pipes or HVAC vents that normally I could not get a broom behind.
Cleanup time has been reduced due to the fact of being able to just pile all the debris into one area instead of sweeping a bunch of different areas. The M12 Spot Blower is very durable and very commercial grade. It withstands the toss into your pickup truck.